Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to show you how to automate the next test case, that is test case number 004 under the register account functionality. As per this test case, what we have to do, what we have to perform testing of. Okay, before automating this particular test case, okay, number 004 or register account functionality, let's understand the test case, guys. Okay, verify proper notification messages are displayed for the mandatory fields when you don't provide any fields in the register account page and then submit the details in the register account page. Okay, so without filling any of the mandatory fields or selecting any of the mandatory fields, if you submit the register account page, okay, then we should get some proper warning messages. Okay, whatever the warning messages that are mentioned here, we should get that warning messages. The below warning message should be displayed. Okay, another warning message should be displayed. All the warning messages that need to be displayed guys. Okay, so for that, so let me manually show you what exactly we need to automate. I need to first go to this application URL, okay, page, and then I need to click on the my account, then select the register option. And as you can see here, I need to open the application URL page, then click on the my account drop menu, then click on the register option, select the register option. After that, I'll be taken to the register account page, and without entering anything into the fields. That means any of the mandatory fields, first name is a mandatory field, last name is a mandatory field, email, telephone, password confirm, even privacy policy is a mandatory field. Without filling any of these fields, if you click on the continue button, guys, you will get all these warning messages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we have to verify that proper warning messages are getting displayed on trying to submit the register account page without filling any of the mandatory fields, guys. For that to happen, we need to open this Eclipse IDE, and here we already have automated the first previous test case like 1, 2, 3, right? I'll create one more class where I'm going to name this class as test case number register functionality underscore 004. Okay. TC underscore RF underscore 004. Okay. Then select this main method and write the code here. Okay. Now write the code here. Or you can directly go with the testng test method also. So we can create a method like instead of writing main method every time, right? You can write public void name of the method. I'll just name this method as verify proper notifications are displayed for the mandatory fields when you don't provide. Verify registering an account. Okay, the name should be something like this. I got an idea like what should be the name. Verify registering account without filling fields, without entering any details into the fields or whatever the name you want to give, you can give that and just make this blank. And then here on the top of this particular method, provide @test annotation from testng. Hover the mouse on this @test and import this @test from testng library. Now here in this particular method, I'm going to write the code. That is driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Driver is called new Chrome driver. Say Control Shift O. WebDriver will be imported and the Chrome driver class will be imported from the Selenium library. Then write down driver dot. Then write driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get. Okay, driver dot get. And here provide the application page URL that is till here. After going there, so I'll also see the previous test case. I also gave the timeouts case. I'll also give the timeouts here. Okay. Driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait duration dot of seconds. Just stays 3 seconds for this application, as you already know from the previous test. The fourth test we are automating. And here, after opening this application page URL, what I need to do? After opening this application page URL, like this, after opening this application page URL, what I need to do? The next thing that I need to do here is, the next thing that I need to do here is, I need to select the my account option and then select the register option. Okay. I'll inspect this my account option, copy this my account option, and here write down Copy this my account option and select Control F double slash, create an XPath expression here. Text is equal to my account. I'll create an XPath expression which will locate this my account option. Copy this and write down the code here. That is driver dot find element by dot XPath, give the XPath expression and say dot click. Once you say dot click, the my account option will be selected. And here I need to select the register option, inspect the register option. Once I inspect the register option, which is the link text, copy this and then write down driver dot find element by dot link text, provide the link text locator and say dot click. Now select the register option, select the register option. Now select the register option. And once you are taken to the register account page, once you are taken to the register account page, now enter all these details like first name, last name, email, telephone, password confirm, and privacy policy. Okay. Inspect this first name field. Inspect this first name field. Okay. Take this ID, copy this ID, and come back here and write down driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator of the first name field and say dot set keys. And here put a semicolon here and you have to enter the details into the you should not be entering any details, right? You have to keep it empty or you don't have to write this statement at all. Okay. So without entering any of these details, without entering anything into the first name, last name, email, telephone, password confirm, or this privacy, directly you need to click on the continue button, guys. Okay. Why to inspect all these elements when you don't have to enter anything into these fields? Why to inspect and create the elements and then type some text? That is not required. Directly click on the continue button without filling any of these fields. Inspect this button otherwise. Directly inspect this button and create an XPath for this button. I'll create an XPath expression for this button. Double slash input. Okay. At the rate. Value is equal to continue. Okay. Is this the one? Yes. This XPath expression is able to locate the continue button. Copy this and write down driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression and click on and say dot click. Once you click on the continue button here, guys, once you click on the continue button here, guys, okay, you'll get all these warning messages. As per the test case, these are the different warning messages that we should get. Okay, for the first name field, we should get this warning message. Okay, this expected warning message, I'll copy from the test case as per the requirements and all. String expected expected first name warning is equal to, give that warning message that I am expecting as per the application we have to expect, and then go with the next one, that is string. Next one, for the last name must be between 1 and 32 character. Okay, first name must be, okay, this is the first name warning message, right? From here to here, characters. Is that the one we are getting here also? Yes, right. So go here and paste it here. Rosette, paste it here. And then expected last name warning is equal to, expected last name warning is equal to, copy this part and paste it here. Then next one, this one. Okay, string expected email warning is equal to, give that expected email warning. Then telephone warning, give the telephone warning here. String expected telephone warning is equal to, put that expected telephone warning. Then password warning, copy this part, write down string expected password warning is equal to, this expected password warning, guys. Then here warning, this is privacy policy warning message. I'll just say string expected privacy policy warning message or warning. I say anything is fine. Put a semicolon here. And now I need to verify whether all these warning messages are appearing on the real application. Actually, they are appearing or not when I click on the continue button without filling any of the fields on the register account page. So For that, I'll just have to first right click and inspect this part. Okay, so this is the one. So this doesn't have a unique locator here to create a proper XPath expression. I'll take the help of this ID and then input tag /input @ID is equal to give the ID. Okay. So under this, we have this div tag, right? This is not the child tag. This is a sibling tag. So slash following hyphen sibling div. You just write like this. Okay. This will get you the element which contains the warning message text. I need to retrieve the text between the element. Okay. Copy this and write down here. And then write down here assert dot assert from TextNG to verify the stuff. Assert equals method I'll use. Okay. Assert dot assert equals, take one of them. And here I need to provide the actual one, that is driver dot find element by dot xpath. Give the xpath expression of that particular first name field element and say, okay, from here, right? From here to here, say dot get text. Dot get text. Sorry, it's not coming. Dot get. Okay, here find elements came, guys. Whenever you see find, instead of find elements came means you will not get text command, guys. So I'll just remove this and simply say dot get text. Dot get text. Okay, just give me a second. So what we have to do next? Here we are retrieving the actual warning message. Okay, the first name warning message we are retrieving. Okay, then here we need to provide the expected first name warning message. Okay, expected first name warning message we have to provide. Okay, put a semicolon. Okay, then assert dot assert equals the next one, guys. Okay, the next one. Let's go and find out the next one. Okay, then here give the second one, that is expected last name warning, and here write down right click here, inspect and create an XPath expression for this with the help of this particular ID. You can copy this ID, otherwise the same XPath expression may work. Just you need to change the ID value here. I think it will work. Okay, the same pattern we have to follow. So this is currently locating the /input @input. What it is locating? You see, it is locating, then slash following hyphen sibling div. Okay, it's locating the second one. Still it is locating the first name only, guys. Where is the last name? Okay, let me create it properly, guys. Okay, copy this ID and write down /input @ID ID is equal to, give that ID locator and say slash following hyphen sibling div. Okay, copy this XPath expression and write down here driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression and simply say dot get text. Again, the same mistake I have done. Find elements. You have to use find element only here. Dot get text. You have to write. Okay. Once this is also done, then move to the next assertion. Just go with the next assertion, that is assert dot assert. For every warning message, you have to create an assert statement here. Okay. You can copy paste this one if you don't want to type it manually. Sorry. Copy paste this one and write down driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of the next field, that is email address field. Inspect this. I need to retrieve this warning message text. For that, I am inspecting here. And here we have an ID. Copy this ID and write down /input ID is equal to, give that ID locator of ID of that email field slash following hyphen sibling div. Okay, then this one will get located and will retrieve the text between the tags here. Okay, copy this XPath expression and write down that here by dot XPath and simply close this and say dot get text and say comma expected email warning. Okay, you have to write expected email warning and put a semicolon here. That's it. Then assert equals again. Then here write down driver dot find element driver dot find element by dot xpath, give the xpath expression of the next one, that is telephone warning. Inspect this, double slash input at the rate id is equal to slash following hyphen following sibling colon div. This will locate the telephone field, the text between the telephone field. Copy this, paste it here, and simply write down dot get text. And here write down expected telephone warning. Then assert equals, then write down here expected password warning, a semicolon here. Then write down driver dot find element driver dot find element by dot xpath, give the xpath expression of the password warning message. This is the one. Inspect this and you'll get this ID here. Copy this ID and write down double slash input at the rate ID is equal to slash following hyphen sibling colon div. Copy this xpath expression, come back here and paste it here. Then dot get text. After this is also done, then privacy policy warning assert equals assert equals write down here privacy policy warning, just write down that here. Then here write down, select this and inspect this, and this particular text is there between these div tags. Okay, copy this part, say control F double slash div at the rate class is equal to, okay, copy this xpath expression, driver dot find element by dot xpath give the xpath expression dot get text. I'll say dot get text. Okay, now all the assertions are completed. Finally, I'll quit the browser, guys. Driver dot quit. Let's see whether this particular test will pass or fail. So this is the automation code, guys. This is the automation code for, verifying whether when you try to create an account without filling any of the fields, proper warning messages are coming or not, we can check. Okay, run the script, right click run as TestNG test and see whether the script is running fine or not. Let's see. Yeah, warning messages came and all the warning message got properly came and the test got passed So I'll upload this code so that you can access this code. I'll upload this code into the GitHub repo. Control A, Control C, and go to the local repository, which I have created long back. Local repos, and okay. Yes, Control V, replace. Right click, show more options. So here I'll type git status git add dot, then again git status git commit -m tc underscore rf underscore 001 test. Okay, test case automated. Okay, then git push origin main This main is there, so I'll just type main. You don't have to worry about this comment. I'm just uploading the code so that you guys can access. Okay. So you just have to type Arun Moturi GitHub. Once you say Arun Moturi GitHub, you will be taken to this page, guys. Once you are taken to this page, search for the go to the repositories and you can filter the repositories here. Live. Just type live here. Okay. Where are my recordings? Let's see here. The folder name live automation Selenium Java projects. This one, live automation Selenium Java projects. This one, I think so. Updated just now. Yeah, this one you have to go. Okay. So otherwise, search for live automation Selenium Java projects. You'll get this. Okay. Just now I uploaded this test case number 004. Okay. Automated test case of 004 is now just now uploaded. Okay. So with this, guys, we have successfully automated the fourth test case. Okay, in this TutorialsNinja web application, there are around 500 test cases, 500 plus test cases. In that fourth one is completed. In the next session, I'm going to show you how to automate the next test case. Till then, see you. Bye bye.